Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. Extend your left hand in front of you, pointing up, while extending your left foot. Next, shake your finger off to the left while extending your right foot. Now, extend your right hand in front of you, pointing up, while extending your left foot. Shake your finger off to the right while extending your right foot. Bring your left hand in to rest on your chest while extending your left foot, before bringing your right hand in as well and extending your right foot. Stand in place and twirl your hands away from you twice, bringing them out on the third twirl. Repeat all of these moves a second time. Repeat part 2. Repeat part 3. Repeat part 4. Repeat part 2. Stand so that your right side is facing the camera. Step out with your right foot while opening your arms wide with your right arm angling up and your left arm angling down. Turn so that your left side is facing the camera and step out with your left foot while your left hand goes up and your right hand goes down. Step out with your left foot again while both arms go in front of you and then out to either side. Next, you should bring your arms up on either side of your head and then down out in front of you. Bring your right hand up with your palm toward you and cross your right foot in front of your left. Now, bring your left hand up in the same manner while crossing your left foot in front of your right foot. Step back on your right foot and slide your left foot back while pushing both hands toward the camera. With your left arm up and your right arm down, hop slightly to the left, bringing your right arm up and your left arm down. Do this once again. Step out to the side with your right foot and bring your left foot over to meet it while making a big circle counterclockwise with your left arm. Now step out to the left with your left foot and bring your right foot to meet it while tapping first your right shoulder, then your left with your left hand. Repeat the foot movements, but this time, use your right arm to make a big circle clockwise, and then touch your left and right shoulders. Step out with your right foot while bringing your left arm up and your right arm down. Move your arms so that they are straight out to either side, before bending your left elbow and making half a heart shape near your chest with your left hand. Do the same with your right hand. Keeping your hands in the heart shape, make a circle clockwise and end facing the left slightly with your right knee bent.
Repeat part 4 up until the line zutto zutto. On the first zoot, jump slightly so that your right foot is crossed in front of your left foot, and bring your arms out to either side. Spin to your left and end facing slightly to the right with your left knee bent and your left hand behind your back. Your right hand should be up with your fingers spread out.